And the better results you have, the longer you'll stick around and the more people who will want to work with you. Guys, there's 10-year-olds becoming millionaires on the internet nowadays. There's people who don't even ever show their faces and they build multi-million-dollar companies on the internet. Hey guys, Spencer Williams here, and I'm here to give you guys a tip of the day. So guys, the first thing that I want you to write down here for the tip of the day is the best skill to have in today's economy, in the new digital economy, is the skill to adapt quickly. It's the skill to learn new skills and be able to provide those skills to other people very, very quickly and solve their problems with them. Guys, with the new digital economy, with technological advances, all of that stuff there, the world is changing faster than ever. And it's said that the world is going to be completely different every 5 years at this point. So guys, what you learned, 5 years ago is not going to be applicable today. And what you learn today is not going to be applicable in 5 years. There's going to be new market demands, new needs, new technology, new problems to be solved, and your ability as an entrepreneur to learn new skills, provide them to the marketplace, is going to be huge. And guys, the facts are that today you do not need anything fancy to earn a very, very high income for yourself, because what we have is something called the internet. And the internet, you do not need a degree to log on to it and to provide your skills to other people. What you do need to be successful on the internet is the skills that other people want, or the skills that other people need to be successful, so that you can actually provide them something that's beneficial to them or their organization or their goals. If you're really, really good at getting in shape, staying fit, you can help other people get in shape and stay fit because you know how to do it and you can give them support. If you're really, really good at sales, you can help teach other people how to sell. You could help somebody else sell. If you're really good at negotiations, you could help teach people negotiations. You could help them negotiate. If you look at who's making a lot of money on the internet these days, it's the people with the skills. And the ones who's making the most money is the people with the skills that can provide the best results too. So web developers are making money if you know how to make websites, copywriters, salespeople, guys, those are the people who are making money, who have the skills, and then the ones who make the most money are the ones who can have the best results for their clients and build the best brand around themselves. That's how you make money on the internet. So guys, a degree is not going to be valuable anymore, because a degree, what it used to serve as, and the reason why it used to be valuable, is because it was a ticket to get yourself a high-paying job. But like I said, nowadays, you don't need to get yourself a high-paying job, because you can create one like that if you have the skills and if you can bring results. So again, guys, a degree used to be valuable because it would serve as your entry ticket. Let's use financial advisors, for example. If you want to be a financial advisor, you got to go work in a bank, right? And to work in the bank, you got to have the degree or the bank's not going to look at you, right? But once you actually get the job, once you're in there, once you are a financial advisor, what's the difference between, a financial advisor and a very, very rich, successful financial advisor? It's the results and the skills that he has. The skill of raising capital, the better the financial advisor is at raising capital from other people, the more he'll be able to get. And then the better that financial advisor is at investing the capital that he's raised, the higher the returns, the better investor, the better the skill set, higher returns he can bring his clients on their capital, the more they want to give him, the more they have to give him, and the more other people are going to want to work with him as well. So nowadays, guys, what the internet has got rid of is the need for an entry ticket, the need for the degree. You don't need it anymore, because anybody can log on to the internet and start doing something. So what matters nowadays is what skills do you have, and then what results, how good are you at those skills? What results can you bring your clients? And the better you can get at your skills, the better you'll do, and the better results you have, the longer you'll stick around and the more people who will want to work with you. Guys, there's 10-year-olds becoming millionaires on the internet nowadays. There's people who don't even ever show their faces and they build multi-million-dollar companies on the internet. There's 16-year-olds on TikTok who make more money in 2 months than their parents have made their entire lives from doing 5-second dances every day. Guys, you need to recognize the opportunity that's in front of you. You need to work with somebody who can help you learn the valuable skill sets that are in demand today. And you need to get mentored by a real business owner who's actually running their business on social media, on the internet, because it changes so quickly that if you got even a degree on social media on the internet, everything you learned by the 4th year you're done is not going to be relevant anymore. So you need to work with a real business owner who's solving these problems and adapting to the changes in the real world, and who is running a successful business that you would want to learn how to do. So guys, again, that's the key to learning in nowadays, and the key to making money on the internet. 3 main skills that will help you make a lot of money, and I want you to write these down because they will very, very much so help you. Your ability to brand, market, and sell can determine your income, and I promise you that with the internet. But again, guys, it's your skills and the results that you bring. That's how you can get better, and you don't need the entry ticket anymore. You can start now. There's 10-year-olds who are multi-millionaires. There's people way less qualified than you who are becoming multi-millionaires on the internet. So don't slack off, guys. Recognize the opportunity and take advantage of it while it's still here, before it becomes way too saturated and you've missed out. My name's Spencer Williams, and I'll see you guys in the next video.